If you own a Toyota hybrid or you're thinking about buying one, there is a lie you've probably been told. And it usually comes from a dealership, sometimes a mechanic, and sometimes a random YouTube video. They say your hybrid battery will die at 100,000 miles, maybe 150 if you're lucky, and replacing it will cost you $4,000. That's just flat out wrong. In the next 8 minutes, I'll show you the actual data on how long Toyota hybrid batteries really last, based on real world fleets, taxi drivers, and over 2 decades of Toyota hybrid history. And trust me, you're gonna be surprised. On top of that, for the smart ones who stick with me throughout today's video, I'm gonna be giving away a $150 discount code for not if, but when your Toyota hybrid battery goes bad. Let me start by telling you where the 100,000 mile and dead myth actually comes from. And stay open with me here because it's actually from Toyota's factory warranty. For most of hybrid history, Toyota covered the hybrid battery for 8 years or 100,000 miles. That is an industry leading warranty. But somewhere along the way, people started reading that warranty as a prediction, as if Toyota was telling you, well, we cover it for 100,000 miles because that's when it's gonna die. But that's actually not what a warranty means. A warranty is the worst case scenario the company is willing to insure against, not the expectation of a lifespan. And here's the part none of these YouTubers are talking about. In 2020, Toyota didn't shorten their warranty. They actually extended it. Companies do not extend warranties on parts they expect to fail. They extend warranties when they have years of internal data showing these parts last far longer than the original number. So how long do they actually last in the real world? This is where it gets interesting. The honest answer is between 150 and 200,000 miles for the average owner, and way more if you actually take care of it. I know what you're thinking right now. Those high numbers are outliers and they don't apply to me, but let me show you why they actually do. The single biggest source of real-world Toyota hybrid data is not regular drivers. It's taxi fleets and rideshare drivers. Because these people who drive 50,000 to 100,000 miles a year stop and go all day, every day. And taxi fleet Prius units routinely hit 300,000 to 400,000 miles on the original battery. And I'm not making this up. You can go see for yourself. Go to an airport, hop in a Prius, and ask them how many miles they have put on it. In fact, a 2008 Prius owner recently came to us and finally needed their battery replacement. And they were at 260,000 miles. For the replacement, it only cost them $1,500 from us. So now that we know how long Toyota hybrid batteries actually last, and now that you know to just completely let go of the 100,000 mile and dead battery myth, that brings up the real question. Why do some Toyota hybrid batteries last 300,000 miles while others die way earlier? Because batteries don't usually die randomly. There are real things that shorten their life, and most of them are not what people think. So let's dive in and talk about what actually kills a Toyota hybrid battery early. There are 3 big factors, and we're gonna go through them in order of impact. So number 1 is heat. This is the single biggest factor, period. Toyota hybrid battery is the happiest between 0 and 30 degrees Celsius. That's 32 to 86 Fahrenheit. So if you live somewhere hot in America or even somewhere like Dubai and your car spends every single day in a 110-degree parking lot, your battery is slowly being cooked. Hot climate Prius owners sometimes need replacements at 75 to 90,000 miles. Moderate climate Prius owners cruise past the 200,000 mile mark with 0 issues. Same car, same battery, different climate. Getting into number 2, a clogged cooling vent. This one nobody knows about because nobody actually works on these. Toyota hybrid batteries have a small cooling fan inside of the car, usually behind the back seat, with a vent that pulls in the cabin air to keep the pack cool. That vent fills up over time. Dust, pet hair, crumbs, lint, all of it. If the fan can't pull in air, the battery overheats, even in cool climates. This is a 5-minute job to clean with a vacuum cleaner, because if these cells overheat, it breaks down the chemistry inside of the cells and your battery will fail. Getting into number 3, sitting unused. Hybrid batteries hate sitting. So if your Prius sits in the garage for months at a time without being used, the battery slowly self-discharges. When it drops below a certain voltage, individual modules like the one I'm holding can and will become permanently damaged. So if you have a hybrid you don't drive often, start it up, drive it at least every week. That's it. So heat, cooling vents, and sitting unused, avoid these 3 things and your Toyota hybrid battery will probably outlast the rest of the car. And listen, right now, there's no shortage of misinformation online. The question of your hybrid battery going bad is not a matter of if, but when. Maybe it happens at 90,000 miles, maybe it happens at 260,000 miles. Maybe you get lucky and it goes even longer. But when that day comes, your car is not automatically done. That's the part that most people get wrong and it ends up costing them. They see warning lights, bad MPG, the gas engine running constantly, or the battery gauge jumping up and down, and their first thought is, I guess I need a new car. But don't worry, because Greentec Auto has been replacing hybrid and EV batteries for the last 13 years across 34 company-owned locations in the US, Canada, and in the UK. This is not something we do on the side. This is all we do. We've seen customers drive their car through its first full life, replace the battery with us, and still have that same car 9 years later. So when your Toyota hybrid battery starts acting different, don't panic. Don't let one warning light convince you the car is finished, and definitely don't overpay before you know your options. What you should do is click in the link below at greentecauto.com, put in your year, make, model, and you can see how much it's gonna cost to get your hybrid battery replaced. And on top of that, as I promised, use coupon code GTAI to get $150 off for not if, but when your battery goes bad. See you guys in the next one.